Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Olivia, and today we're going to be doing a really exciting video because today I'm going to be doing a thrift store haul. Thrifting is definitely something that I absolutely love doing. It's a really easy and affordable way to furnish your home, which I've talked about in some previous videos of how to furnish or decorate or refresh your home for little to no money. So I absolutely love going to thrift stores to decorate our home. So I'm a recent college graduate, or I say I'm a recent college graduate, but now more time is passing and it's going on
3 years since I graduated from college this May, so that's just mind-blowing. I don't know when I'll be considered not a recent college graduate, probably now, but
basically I am furnishing our home on a budget, which definitely a lot of people can relate to. We currently live in Sydney, Australia, or outside of Sydney, Australia if you are new to my channel, and obviously this is not our forever home. We don't plan on living in Australia forever, so we definitely don't want to spend tons and tons of money furnishing our homes here in Australia for the next few years when it's not going to be our forever home. If you're looking to just become more thrift savvy or just curious of what I got in the thrift store and what to keep an eye out for, maybe to stay tuned. And if you want to see more videos from me or more thrift store videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are interested in that, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos from me. So let's just get right into the video. So I'm going to show you what I got, but then I'm also going to show you how I've incorporated it into our home. So one thing about thrift stores is I especially just see something and I have to have it. Normally it's only a couple dollars, but I want to be more intentional of what I bring back into my space. So even though it might be an amazing deal, I want to make sure that I can incorporate it in my home. So that's why I will be showing you where I put this stuff, so it can give you an idea of not only what to look out for, but what you can do with it. So I have a whole bin of thrift store finds that I will get right into. The things that I have picked up the last couple thrift store shops, so I didn't find all this stuff at one place, but I tend to only go to like Salvation Army normally because there's not really many thrift stores around my area other than that. But so something that I've been starting to get into is vases, because I have been decorating some kitchen open shelves that we just installed, and then also I have been kind of playing around with redoing my office and kind of getting that set up. So I've been looking for things to decorate shelving. So I've been looking for vases and kind of opening my eyes to the vase world, because I didn't really pay attention to vases before. But so the first vase that I picked up is this white vase, and as you can see there's like a little face on it, but I just simply turned it around to style it on my bookshelf in my office, and this white vase was $6. It says at the bottom that it's from FP Collection, and it's normally $21.99. So got it for $6. It's in perfect shape and condition, and I'm pretty happy about that. It will definitely add some height to the bookshelf, as you can see. Another little vase that I picked up was this white, gray, and almost like blue vase, and this was only $1, and I think that it looks really cute over some books on the shelf. I picked up this sculpture, which is definitely something different than what I would normally pick out, but like I said, I've been trying to decorate some of the bookshelves and really expand my horizon when it comes to decor. So this was only $3, and as you can see, it's made of pottery. So I really love this color, and it's unique and something that you would definitely find at like TK Maxx or any decor store. So I think it's really cool. It's really neutral and will definitely go in just about any space, but right now I have it in the office. So moving on to wooden objects. Wooden objects are one of my favorite things to find at the thrift store. I'm definitely somebody that gravitates towards natural decor pieces like wood. If you've seen anything from my home or any of my cleaning videos, you'll see kind of my decor style, but I like to incorporate a lot of plants and wood and neutral colors and all that kind of stuff, but a lot of natural elements. So I found this wooden box or wooden bowl type thing with a lid, and it just has this really unique design on it, and it has a lid inside, clean and everything, so you can put some jewelry or whatever you want in it. Right now I don't have anything in it, but I just think the box is really pretty, and this was only $3, so definitely an amazing price, and once again something that I'm just gonna style on the bookshelf. Another couple wooden objects that I got is these 2 candlesticks, and once again I used it to style on the bookshelf. I think that they look really cool with or without candles. If you want the candlesticks to look a different height, which ideally I would like them to be 2 different heights, you can just add a longer candle and a shorter one to kind of give that illusion without it being separate heights. So that's a fun trick for you. And the next couple things are something that I'm really excited about because I've been seeing them all over. I watch tons of Home Goods hauls or shop with me's, and since there's no Home Goods in Australia, we do have a TK Maxx, which is like TJ Maxx here, but no Home Goods or anything. I've been living vicariously through people's shop with me's, and I've been seeing everybody talk about wooden bowls. And normally at Home Goods you can find them for a very affordable price, but at the thrift store you can find it for an even more affordable price. So I picked up these 4 bowls. They're 2 different styles and 2 different colors. So I'll give you an idea of how they differ. These I've been kind of using as like a saucer under these herbs that I just picked up from the grocery store. So I think they're a perfect shape and they just kind of add a unique touch, but all these wooden bowls were $1 each. So when you see them at Home Goods for like $12.99 and you think that's a good price, check the thrift store because I got them all for $1 each. So I'm super happy with that purchase. And then I'll give you guys a close-up. This style I prefer. I actually picked up the other ones first, and then I found these one on another thrift store shopping trip. But these ones, I love the round shape of them, and these ones I styled on our open shelving in the kitchen. So these ones are a little darker, more my style, but I just love how they look stacked, and they're just so beautiful. So $1 each, such a good find. Something else that I've been trying to get into at the thrift store is finding books. So especially for the bookshelf in the office, books are great as decor, and I've incorporated some books throughout our home that we already owned, but when it came to finding books at the thrift store, it was just kind of something that I just didn't want to spend time looking at. But this time I went to the thrift store. It was a slow day, so I could spend time opening the covers of all the books and see what colors would work with my current colors in the office, which is where I was looking. And I found these 3 books, and normally I wouldn't go for these 2 pops of color, but they actually work really well in the office. I absolutely love this color. It's neutral, and color would definitely work in any space in my house. I just love how simple and neutral this book is. But with the combination of all these 3 books, it looks really nice in my office, especially with our rug that's in there. So these books were only $1 each, and yeah, I'm really happy. I love this color. It's definitely something that I normally wouldn't incorporate, but it's beautiful, and I think it goes really well and would go in other rooms in the house as well. If looking for books, I did find some neutral books, but I really hated the title of the book, so I wasn't super picky, but I really just didn't want extremely random titles or something that I wouldn't want people to be like, why do you have a book about this? So this book is called Coming Clean. It's fine. The title's not crazy. This book is called The Dismissal, but on the binding, which is what is seen, it's just people's names, so it's not really anything crazy. And then this book, I actually really like the title. It's called The World's Greatest Story. It's not something that I'll read probably, because it just doesn't look like The World's Greatest Story, but I think it's a really cute name and I really like it. So definitely look for books at thrift stores. Another one of my go-to items at thrift stores, probably the #1 item. When I go to a thrift store, the first section I go to is the baskets. I'm sure if you watch any other thrift store videos, On YouTube, you've probably seen tons of people talk about the baskets. I basically only get my baskets at the thrift store because they're so affordable compared to the retail store. You can find really unique style baskets there. So I just found this little small basket, which is absolutely adorable. And this was only $2. So right now I just have some highlighters and pens in my office on my desk with this, which I absolutely love. I think it's super cute. And you can also use it to put a plant in. So little things like this and baskets in general, if I like the size and the shape and the style of the basket, I pick it up. I can find a use for it later. So when I see a good basket, I tend to always grab it. In the next basket, I'll cut to a clip of it, but it's a circle basket, which I just have on my coffee table right now. Now that it's past the Christmas season here, but it's still summer in Australia, so I wanted to give more of a summer vibe on the coffee table, and I really like the contrast of the square coffee table with the round basket. So I just have some glass coasters, a candle, and our aloe vera plant. And this large basket was only $5 at the thrift store. So this works really well for like decor on tables, coffee tables or whatever, but it would also be really good for serving stuff. So if you have an outdoor picnic or whatever, having your napkins and silverware and everything like that in the basket, or just kind of using it as a tray. And my last item is something that I'm so excited about. We picked it up kind of as a mistake, but I'm so happy we got it because it fits absolutely perfect in our house. The last thing that I picked up recently at the thrift store is this Pottery barn pillow, and we got this for $4. So not only did we get the cushion cover, but the pillow insert is a down pillow insert, and it was $4 total for both. This retail would probably be like $100 for both the cushion cover and the insert, just from what I've seen on Pottery Barn's website. So I'm so happy with this find. I had no idea that it was actually Pottery Barn until I took the cushion cover off to wash everything. With things like rugs and pillows and items like that, it can be a little intimidating or a little cautious when it comes to thrift stores, but simply just wash things. So I washed both these, the pillow and the pillow cover, and haven't had a problem since, but obviously just kind of use common sense when purchasing linens or anything from there. I tend not to go towards blankets or any other fabrics, but this pillow we really liked, and I couldn't pass a perfectly good Pottery Barn pillow that goes perfect with our decor for $4. So I'm super happy with this, and you never know, you can find some amazing things at the thrift store. If you guys enjoyed my thrift store haul, let me know if you want to see more thrift store hauls from me. I go to the thrift store probably like every weekend, so I tend to shop a lot there. It's something that it's always changing, always different, and always exciting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.